Welcome to the part 5 of the Gregg Shorthand course. In this video, we are going to have a look at phrasing. So what is phrasing? Well, in shorthand, phrasing simply means joining of strokes and curves to make phrases. So let's see some examples of phrasing. Alright, so in order to show you some examples of phrasing, first of all we need to take some characters. So suppose if we take I, L, he, K, N, and the. So we will make these characters. So I is made like this, L is made like this, he is made like this, K is made like this, N is made like this, and D is made like this. So how phrasing actually works is that we're gonna join these. So if we join I and L, you will see that a new character is formed. So let's join these two. So you saw that a new character is formed. So we can call this new character as I will. Okay, so let's do the next one. We're gonna join he and K. So let's join these two. So you again saw that a new character is formed. So we can call this as he can. Alright, so let's do the last one. We're gonna join N and the. So it goes like this. So we can call this as in the. Alright, so you saw that how the strokes and curves are joining and forming a new character. So this is what a phrasing actually means. Alright, you saw that we joined I and L and a new character is formed and we called it as I will. Then he and K is joined and we got new character, we called it as he can. And the last one, N and the, a new character is formed and we called it as in the. So I will, he can, and in the, all these three are phrases.